This is part one of day in a life as a matric student who is busy preparing for his NSC final examinations. Today I'll be going over some stuff for paper 3 and for paper 2 and paper 1. This is part one of many segments. Today I'm going over the picture of Dorian Gray by Oscar Wilde, and I'm going over my poetry for English.